Hi, so today I will be discussing my fishbowl advertisement. My name is Jessica Pautz, and here we go. So I want to talk about the overall objective of this assignment, so I'm analyzing these three ads first, and now we're going to talk about the January events one. So the first advertisement is the events advertisement. So what is the objective of this advertisement exactly? So it's to tell their customers when the events are happening, what the events are, who these people are, and that when they're closed, things of that nature. What is the target audience? The target audience would be 21 and up, obviously. I think couples, especially for event nights, because they're cute date nights. And people in their 30s, probably earlier 30s, middle-aged 30s type age. What is the effectiveness of this advertisement? So personally, the way you can find this the best way and probably the easiest way would be what were the sales on the event nights versus what were the sales on just a regular Tuesday type thing. Analyze the difference between those and see if you had more people come on an event night versus a regular night. What role in the marketing mix does this advertisement play? I want to talk about the promotion. So obviously this advertisement is promoting specific events. So a part of the marketing mix is promotion. So you have promotion, place, product, and price. And here you would definitely focus on promotion because it doesn't have anything about prices or anything about a specific product. What is their image in this advertisement? So I really want to dive into the logo here. So they really focus on the logo. There's just a lot of copy. There's no pictures. Like, they have a nice mountain scenery, I believe, but there's no pictures of the DJs or people like that. It's really just the logo that stands out, which is good. That means it's a fishbowl advertisement. People know that it's a fishbowl advertisement, so I really enjoy the fact that the logo is so big. What other promotion mix factors are there? So like I mentioned before, there is no product, there is no price, there is a place. The place is in the logo where it says Fishbowl, Salisbury, North Carolina, which I think is very good. And then obviously it has the promotion. You're promoting specific events. What is the unique selling proposition for this advertisement? Basically, if customers like these events and they want more events, DJs, theme nights, etc., then make more advertisements like this. Promote specific events. Maybe add a lot more images and graphics in these advertisements because adding just copy isn't going to get you anywhere. And then basis for the appeal. Your point is to please the customer ultimately. This ad won't please anyone if it is just copy. You need to stand out. You need to be unique and individual. And we'll talk about that in the new advertisement. Second advertisement, late night lager. So what is the objective of this advertisement? To get customers to come for this specific beer. If people like lager, they will come to the fishbowl. What is the target audience? 21 and up, obviously, but I think it's focusing more towards beer enthusiasts because you're focusing on a specific type of beer. What is the effectiveness of this advertisement? Basically, what you could do, you could see how many lagers you sold before the advertisement went out versus after the advertisement and see if it made an impact and a difference to your prices at all. What role in the marketing mix does this advertisement play? You're selling a specific product, which is the lager, obviously. So here you would focus on that concept of product. What is their image in this advertisement? Their image, I don't like it. I'm sorry. I think it's really sloppy. The logos, the new serum and the fishbowl logo cross over with each other, which doesn't look good. I like that there is a beer glass, but maybe you could put the new serum logo on the beer glass. That way you're promoting both the brewery and the bar. I do like the copy, but not all of it. I don't like the bold flavors with a classic touch. I feel like you don't really need that. I do like the only available at the fishbowl and late night lager. Late night lager is catchy. It'll bring people in. People will remember catchy slogans. And only available at the fishbowl is very important because people will come to the fishbowl specifically for this lager and a fun atmosphere at a bar. What other promotion mix factors are there in this advertisement? So, price, no, you don't label the price of the lager on this advertisement product. Yes, we talked about that before. Place, it is in the logo. Not only do you mention the new Serum Brewing Company and it says Salisbury, but you also mention Fishbowl in the logo and it says only at the Fishbowl, which is in Salisbury, North Carolina. And promotion, it is a promotion. You're promoting a specific lager. You're promoting a specific beer, which will get beer enthusiasts and people who very much enjoy a bar atmosphere to come to a night like this. What else? Oh, 8. What is the basis for the appeal? Oh, actually, no. Did I talk about the unique selling proposition? No, I didn't. Okay, unique selling proposition. Sorry, my mistake. If customers enjoy new Serum beer, but they want a bar atmosphere like I've mentioned before, then combine the two and you'll get happy customers and more of them, people who like beer and who will buy the beer at the bar, but also will enjoy their time at this bar. And what is the basis for appeal of this advertisement? If you like lager, then you like this promotion because you're getting a lager and you're getting a fun time. Okay, third advertisement, open until 2 a.m. Whoop whoop. What is the objective of this advertisement? To get people to come in and enjoy themselves for a late time, obviously. Your audience would be 21 and up, more outgoing people, party goers to be specific. What is the effectiveness of this advertisement? You could ask yourself if you've ever closed early on a Tuesday night because people haven't been coming. How many shots did you sell that night? How many drinks did you sell, etc., etc. Type those things, and you could do it like I've mentioned before with the previous ads. Do it before, compare before the advertisement came out versus after the advertisement came out. What is their image in this advertisement? Your image is you're differentiating products here by their price. So you have the $3 shots, you have the $4 drinks, your logo is in there, and you have obviously a faded image of the bar, so it shows that you have a bunch of different types of liquors that you can get for those $3 shots. What role in the marketing mix does this advertisement play? Price. I want to talk about that. It does have the price of the drinks. They're cheap. People will come and buy cheap drinks. And I like that you say Tuesday, but maybe to get more people to come, you could say only on Tuesday do we have $3 shots and $4 drinks, pushing people to come to that night, because if they're poor but they want alcohol and a good time, then they'll come on a Tuesday night because of the cheap drinks. What other promotion mix factors are there? Product, yes, you're selling 2 different types of products, your shots and your drinks. Price, like we talked about before, that's good. Place, Salisbury, North Carolina, it is in the logo. Also, staying open until 2 a.m. is very important. I would probably put that with place because you're in Salisbury. Not many things are open late at night. Like DJs isn't open until 2 a.m. on a Tuesday, so you're competing with your competitors and you're looking better because you're staying open later. Your promotion, you're promoting alcohol and a late night and a fun time. Like, that's a very good promotion, I think. Your unique selling proposition. So if customers will pay for these cheap shots, then they will be happy. They'll continue to buy these cheap shots while they're out because they probably want to get more in their drunk feelings and continue to buy more shots. And that worked for you. Another tip is that you could sell a bottom shelf liquor for $3 and probably make more of a profit on it than you would with a top shelf liquor. What is the basis for the appeal of this advertisement? Your basis for appeal is if customers will pay for cheap shots, they will come and have a good time. If you like to have a good time, then you'll like the Fishbowl. Just come, drink, stay up late, tell your friends type thing. So this is the new advertisement that I created. So we want to focus on the events, but in the first advertisement, it had a lot of copy. There were no images, nothing that really drew me into this advertisement besides the amount of words. So my creative philosophy behind this was that there were too many events on the original advertisement, so I wanted to dive in and focus on one major event, karaoke night, that happens every single Thursday. So my slogan was Best of the 80s Karaoke Night at the Fishbowl. I really wanted to come up with a theme night because people love theme nights. Gives them a reason to dress up, gives them a reason to sing catchy songs. Karaoke night at the Fishbowl. Perfect. I don't know if slogan and logo would tie in together, but I wanted to add this. If I was a better graphic designer, I would have done it better, but I'm not. So I tried to see if you could, I put the fishbowl logo in each of the holes of a cassette tape because I thought that was creative and it shows that it's their advertisement and their own. My secondary points, like I talked about before, a theme night, it updated the mood of the advertisement. People who like the 80s, want to have fun, sing, dance, type of things like that. The type of presenter, definitely more fun and organized. Like it labels what event this is, what you're doing. It's every Thursday at 8 p.m. And if you can add a little promotion, sing for a shot. People don't like to do karaoke all that much sober. So if you're like, hey, if you go up there and start singing, we'll give you a free shot on the house. And it can be a bottom shelf liquor. They won't know the difference. Your motivational appeal, I said to push people to come to one specific event, and then ultimately they'll come to more. What I added on the top, I said for a full list of our events and visit our website. If people liked this event, then they'll go to your website and look at all the other events. And then you can make a different advertisement with all the different DJs and with like images and graphics of those DJs. Because if you put a name to a face or like link their Spotify or something like that, that would be really cool. Your executional style, this advertisement is appealing to the more outgoing crowds, people who enjoy karaoke, people who want to get up there and sing and embarrass themselves. Probably like me, but it's fine. We'll talk about that another day. But yeah, those types of people, outgoing people, party goers, things of that nature. My second advertisement, late night lager. So, like I mentioned before, the late night lager advertisement had a lot going on for it. The logos were meshing together. The beer was cut off. Like, I just didn't really enjoy that. So I kind of did a little cartoony thing. Added the logo in the middle, a faded logo, kept the copy and the slogan because I loved the slogan. It was catchy. People will remember it. Late night lager. My secondary points, if you're partnering with New Serum Brewery, then you should put the logo in the advertisement, but in a more discreet way. Like I did, I kind of put the logo in the little beer bottles because I thought that would be interesting because it shows that it's their beer. And it is very important to still put only available at the fishbowl because people are more likely to come there for the promotion. So I put that at the bottom because it is an important thing, but I don't think that should be your major part of this advertisement. Your type of presenter, it's more simple, it's more organized, it gets to the point, it's fishbowl, it's lager, everything you need. Your motivational appeal, to push people to come drink this specific beer, obviously. You're going to have beer enthusiasts. You're going to have people who enjoy a lager more. Your executional style, this advertisement is appealing to beer drinkers, obviously. People who don't like beer, this advertisement isn't for you, unfortunately. And then finally, my last advertisement, the late night one. Number 3. So my creative philosophy behind this advertisement was I wanted to make this ad more realistic by adding people. I added people to the best of my ability. If people see advertisements with people that look like them in them, they'll be more encouraged to go do that thing. So definitely think about that when you're making new advertisements. My slogan, on Tuesdays we take $3 shots and sip on $4 drinks till 2 a.m. Obviously, you would know, like the movie Mean Girls, on Wednesdays we wear pink type thing. I kind of tried to add that into it, but on a Tuesday. It still adds the price of the shots and drinks, and it still gives you the time that it closes, but in like a more creative and unique way. Type of presenter, more simple yet fun, ready to have a great time. Your motivational appeal is to push people to not only come and drink at our bar, but to make memories and have a great time, be with your friends, enjoy yourself. And the executional style, this advertisement is appealing to partygoers and people who are looking for a late night. So if you like this advertisement, I think it explains it a little bit better than this one, kind of basic. So I think it adds a little bit more oomph to it. But thank you for listening to my observations and analysis. This is Jessica Pautz. Thanks.